Alright, so what is up guys, Pola_1J here, and today we're diving into Windows 11. Most people use Windows daily but only scratch the surface of its potential. It's like driving a supercar in first gear, so much untapped potential. Windows 11 is packed with features that can change how you use your PC. These aren't just for super nerds, they're useful tools for everyone. From built-in video editors to automating tasks and even a God mode. It's wild how much is there once you start looking. I've compiled a list of the coolest hidden gems in Windows 11. Today we're pulling back the curtain. We'll explore 11 secrets, from productivity boosters to performance enhancers and even a few cool tricks. By the end you'll know how to get the most out of Windows 11. So grab your thinking caps and a notepad. Let's get into it. First up is PowerToys, a free suite of utilities developed by Microsoft for power users. Think of it as a set of super tools that add an extra layer of functionality and customization to your Windows experience. Power Rename is a game changer for file organization, allowing you to rename large batches of files with ease. Fancy Zones lets you create complex window layouts, and there's an image resizer, color picker, and file locksmith. Each tool solves specific problems or streamlines tasks. PowerToys lives in your system tray, and you can toggle utilities on or off as needed. It's a constantly evolving suite with new features added regularly. If you're looking to boost productivity and gain more control over Windows, downloading PowerToys is a no-brainer. It's one of the best-kept secrets for becoming a true Windows power user. Next up is Modern Standby, also known as S0 Low Power Idle. Unlike the old S3 sleep state, Modern Standby keeps your laptop connected to the network in a low-power state. This means it can run updates and receive notifications even while asleep. The wake-up time is almost instantaneous, which is a huge plus. However, it can sometimes lead to more battery drain than traditional sleep. Not all devices support Modern Standby, but it's becoming more common. You can check if your system supports it by running in Command Prompt. Modern Standby is most beneficial for people constantly on the move with their laptops. It bridges the gap between the always-on nature of a phone and the traditional power states of a PC. It's a subtle but significant shift in how PCs manage power and connectivity. Did you know that Windows 11 comes with a pretty capable video editor built right in? I'm talking about Clipchamp. Clipchamp offers a non-linear, timeline-based editing experience. You can drag and drop video clips, images, and audio, trim them, add transitions, text overlays, and even do some color correction. It has access to a stock library, depending on your Microsoft 365 subscription level. Clipchamp is accessible and intuitive, with templates for common formats like YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. It's cloud-powered but processes locally for speed and privacy. The free tier has some limitations but provides a lot of value. For quick edits, social media content, or school projects, Clipchamp is a secret weapon hiding in plain sight within Windows 11. It's worth launching it and seeing what you can create without any extra downloads or costs. Let's talk about run commands, specifically those shell commands. Access the run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R. Typing opens the startup folder for your user account. Any program or shortcut you place in this folder will automatically launch when you log into Windows. Other useful commands include for recently accessed files, for customizing the Send to menu, and for the Downloads folder. These commands save you clicks and time, giving you a more direct line to system folders and settings. While the Windows search bar is good, knowing the exact command is often faster. Mastering a few key run commands can streamline your workflow. It makes navigating Windows feel more fluid and responsive. It's a small thing, but it can genuinely make a difference. Staying focused in a world full of distractions is tough. Windows 11 has a built-in feature called Focus Sessions in the Clock app. It integrates a timer for work intervals and break times, similar to the Pomodoro technique. Focus Sessions integrates with Microsoft To Do and Spotify. By dedicating specific blocks of time to focused work, you're more likely to make progress on your tasks. The scheduled breaks help prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Setting up a focus session is straightforward in the Clock app. You can track your progress over time and see how many focus sessions you complete each day. It encourages a more mindful approach to work. If you haven't explored the Clock app beyond setting an alarm, definitely check out Focus Sessions. For those using Windows 11 on a touchscreen device, advanced touch gestures offer significant control over your windows and workspace. A 3-finger swipe up opens Task View, and a 3-finger swipe down minimizes all windows. Swiping left or right with 3 fingers switches between open applications. 4-finger gestures can switch between virtual desktops or open quick settings. Many of these gestures can be customized in settings. For anyone who primarily interacts with their Windows device via touch, learning and customizing these gestures can be a game changer. It reduces reliance on the on-screen keyboard or an external mouse. It makes the whole experience feel more modern and efficient. If you have a touch-enabled Windows 11 device, start swiping. You might be surprised at how much control you have right at your fingertips. Now we're venturing into the Windows Registry Editor, or Regedit. The Registry is a massive database that stores low-level settings for the OS and applications. Editing the registry allows for deep customization and tweaking. However, editing the registry incorrectly can seriously mess up your Windows installation. Always back up your registry before making any changes. One common tweak is adding custom commands to the context menu. For example, you could add a take ownership command for files and folders. The registry editor is for advanced users or those following a trusted guide. It's the ultimate power tool but demands respect and careful handling. For most users, staying out of Regedit is the best policy. If you're a gamer, you'll want to know about Windows 11's Game Mode. Game Mode aims to optimize your PC's performance when playing games. It prioritizes your game's access to system resources and limits background tasks. The impact of Game Mode can be variable, especially on lower-spec systems. It can provide a small but noticeable improvement in performance. Enabling Game Mode is easy in the Settings app. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date and close unnecessary background applications. Game Mode tries to manage this, but being proactive can help. While its benefits might not be earth-shattering, it's worth ensuring Game Mode is active. It could potentially give you a slightly better gaming session. Sharing files between devices can sometimes be a pain. Windows 11 has a built-in solution called Nearby Sharing. It allows you to wirelessly transfer files and links between nearby Windows PCs using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct. Setting it up is straightforward in the Windows Settings app. Both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi need to be turned on for it to work. Sharing a file is easy from the File Explorer's Share menu. Nearby Sharing is incredibly useful for ad hoc file transfers. It's faster than Bluetooth alone for larger files and doesn't require an internet connection. While it's limited to Windows devices, it's a sleek, integrated feature. It can save you a surprising amount of time and hassle once you start using it. Most of us are familiar with Nightlight in Windows. Windows 11 offers more control and customization over this feature. The key is really digging into the strength slider and understanding how different levels impact your viewing experience. To access these settings, go to Settings, then System, then Display, and click on Nightlight Settings. The benefits of properly using and fine-tuning Nightlight are well documented. Reducing exposure to blue light can help regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce digital eye strain. Spend a few evenings experimenting with the strength slider. You might find that a slightly lower strength is more comfortable for reading text. Taking that extra step to personalize it makes this good feature even better. It's about creating a more comfortable viewing experience. For the grand finale, let's talk about God Mode in Windows. It's a super convenient way to access almost all control panel settings and administrative tools in one place. Create a new folder and rename it to. The folder will transform into a superfolder containing shortcuts to hundreds of settings and tools. It's essentially a master list of control panel applets and system tools. This can be incredibly useful if you frequently access various system settings. It puts everything at your fingertips, which can be a real time saver. While it's not granting you any new permissions, the convenience factor is huge. It's a fantastic shortcut to a centralized dashboard of system controls. Definitely a cool thing to know about and can make you feel like you've unlocked a hidden level of system access. So there you have it. 11 secrets, tips, and hidden features within Windows 11 that can genuinely transform how you interact with your PC. From automating tasks with PowerToys to editing videos with Clipchamp and unlocking God Mode. Hopefully, you've discovered new things to try out. The goal was to empower you to use your computer more effectively. You're now in the driver's seat of your Windows experience. If you discover a new secret, write in the comments. I'm a secret lover. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.